Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time.
I smile when I'm happy, I cry when I'm sad, I yell when I'm angry. That's another word for mad. I'm quiet when I'm lonely, tired of feeling blue. I might scream if I get scared, or I'm excited to see you. My cheeks turn pink or purple when I'm embarrassed or feel shy. And when I'm feeling nervous, I'll be brave enough to try. I sometimes have a temper, I get mad and scream so loud. But when I take a deep breath, I calm down and then feel proud. These things are my emotions, every feeling is okay. I'm learning how to deal with them every single day. So if you feel grumpy, or you're stuck in a bad mood, give yourself a hug and say, goodbye, bad attitude. It's a circle.
Today, I feel happy, sad, tired, angry.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Today is Monday.
In this song, I'm going to teach you the 12 months of the year. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. All right, now let's try to sing them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. That was great. Now let's sing them again. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year.
Hey kindergartners, it's time to do the calendar. First we're going to say what day it is. If yesterday was Sunday, today is, starts with an M, Monday. We'll circle it, Monday. And what month is it? We are in the month of April. What is today's date? If yesterday was 19, today is 20. And what is the year? 2020. We can say it all together. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Have a great day.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm playing outside today. It's springtime now. How about us reading a book about spring? Ta-da! When Spring Comes by Kevin Hanks, illustrated by Laura Duranzek. Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky. But if you wait, spring will bring leaf and blossoms. If you wait, spring will make the leftover amounts of snow smaller and smaller and smaller until suddenly they're gone. Before spring comes, the grass is brown. But if you wait, spring will turn it green and add little flowers. If you wait, an egg will become a bird. A seed will start growing. Spring comes with sun, and it comes with rain, and more rain, and more rain. Do you like mud? Do you like puddles? I hope you like umbrellas. Before spring comes, the garden is just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. And spring will call out the pussy willows and you kittens too. Spring can come quickly or slowly. It changes its minds a lot. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. There will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. There will be worms and wings and wind and wheels. You will feel it, you will smell it, you will hear it. When spring is finally here to stay, you might think you're done waiting, but you're not. Now you have to wait for summer. Thank you for listening.
The weather is. The season is.
Yay!
Please click and subscribe. A as an alligator, A as an arrow, A as an artist, A as an asteroid, A as an airplane, A as an ant, A as an alien, A as an arm. It's the letter A. It's the letter A. It's the letter A. It's the letter A. A as an astronaut. A as an egg. A as an anchor. A as an acorn. A as an apron. A as an apple. A as an antelope. A as an autumn. It's the letter A. 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 It's the letter A.
Alligator, airplane, ant, arm, astronaut, apple. All done.